Have you ever wanted to spend the day canoeing, hiking, and frolicking in a waterfall? Boy, do I have the day trip for you. About a 90-minute drive from downtown Vancouver, your journey to Widgeon Falls starts at Pitt Lake boat launch. You'll need to bring a paddleboard or rent a canoe. From there, it's about a 5-kilometer paddle across Pitt Lake, the largest tidal freshwater lake in the world. That means depending on water levels, you may need to hop out and pull your canoe through shallow sections. At a relaxed pace, the paddle took us around an hour and a half. The views from the valley are unreal. You're surrounded by mountains and greenery. When you reach a fork in the creek, stay left and follow signs for Widgeon campsite. Once you dock your boat, the hike to Widgeon Falls begins. The hike is about 6 kilometers round trip. We opted for the trail route, which has some steeper sections and uneven ground, but only about 85 meters of elevation gain. After about an hour, you'll start to hear the roar of a waterfall. The water crashes down over huge rocks with shallow pools that are perfect for swimming on a warm day. When we went, it was rainy, so the falls were much more powerful than usual. To complete the loop, we took the road trail back to our canoes and started the paddle across Pitt Lake once again. This is hands down one of the best adventures near Vancouver.